Fam, welcome back. Finally back on it. Got a few days of rain, got a few days of sun, kind of hit and miss. Man, I had to work today too, so it was this is going to be a very, very quick ride compared to some of the other rides that I've done. So, but we're going to run around in town here, hooking back up with a GSX here from my earlier videos. So we're just going to go run my route real quick, just have some fun. Like I said, we're gonna be hitting it quick, and then we're gonna go back home because I got things to do later tonight too. It's busy schedule. So we're gonna get on here and we're gonna get going. Yep, you're welcome to join me anytime.
This is 6. I'm like, I told my wife, what time are we gonna go home? My wife said 6. I can't. And then we get home, I text you. How you see? You still out?
I want to cry. Everybody has an exhaust system but me. That's all right though. But here we are once again back out on the bike. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I'm telling you, I love it so much. So I was able to pick up a bag for our trip coming in a few weeks here, but man, I tested it out, bro. It's kind of small, to be quite honest with you. It's kind of small, but it's gonna be good enough. It should be good enough to wear or to fit on the back seat. I tried it on the back seat. It should be good enough to fit, but like I said, it's just the capacity is not that great, so I'll probably be able to put like clothes in there, just a few items. I mean, for the most part, probably a lot of the items, because I'm going pretty minimalistic here on the packing, so it should be okay. But I'm probably gonna have to bring a backpack as well, which is fine. I mean, I don't want the backpack on my back for however long we're gonna be, I mean all day essentially, but it is what it is. It's all good. So we got this thing mapped out and it's gonna be pretty epic. I am definitely looking forward to our ride out to Nashville, and man, it's gonna be so fun looking at that road, looking at that map that we got. Oh man, it's gonna be so much fun. I can't hardly explain it. Oh man, the fun that we're gonna have riding that route. Oh my gosh, dude. I mean, we're gonna have such wonderful bikes and experience levels of all kinds on these bikes. And I'm honestly hoping, which I think which is essentially confirmed, but we're going to be able to get on different bikes. So we're going to be bike swapping. Oh man, that's going to be so much fun. Y'all be like, man, why y'all letting people ride your bike? Fam, I'm good, dog. Like, I trust the riders that we're riding with, that they're not gonna go around and screw my bike up. Plus, if they do, they're paying for it. Aha! And I'm not gonna try to, but I may want to go out on Friday, the Friday of the day we're gonna leave, because I have essentially all day to travel on Friday, and I'm not meeting up with the rest of them until just a little bit later on in the day, or in the morning I mean. And so I am debating with myself if I should go all the way up to Blood Mountain, get one pass through, and then come back down and then go meet the crew for the actual ride. But that will put my saddle time, my seat time, at probably like 10 plus hours, and man, that is gonna be rough, bruh. Hello, that's awesome. I love coming out here and just riding around. Man, it's just, my work week has been pretty hectic. I worked an extra day just to help cover shifts for people, but so like I said, I'm a little tired, but hey, you know how it is. That's life, bro. So I'm not too worried about that, but I do feel a little bit tired. But this right here re-energizes me. Coming out here is big time energized. So I love it, man. Racetrack time. Oh, that's unstable. That is unstable. Ah, I got the bike unstable. That was trash. Alright, I gotta make sure my guy made it. Yeah, there he is. is coming in hot. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. I see you, Tesla. Oh, damn it. Alright fam, that's gonna do it for today's video. Appreciate you guys coming along. Just quick little ride just to get some stress relief, and we are back going to the house. So I'll see you guys on the next one. I appreciate you guys. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. If you like the stuff, hit that like button, share all the good stuff. Peace out. We'll holla at y'all.